Selling your house can be a stressful business, so when you're marketing your home, it's important to show it in the best possible light, just like these guys haven't done. This converted church in the north of England definitely wasn't thought through properly. Even installing a floor a meter or so below would have solved the issue, but what's been seen cannot be unseen. The owners must have had a really cocky outlook on life. There's definitely a market out there for fixer-uppers, but this is probably taking it a little too far. After all, you don't expect to have to literally rebuild your house before you can live in it. If you're trying to sell your house, it's probably not a good idea to sleep through viewings, particularly when the realtor is taking photos to advertise it. The old one deer head per couch cushion look. If the decor isn't to your taste, be careful what you say to the owner, or it might be your head up there next. You have to wonder if this marvelously jolly gent comes with the property, or maybe he's just hoping to find someone to move in with him. This isn't Tinder, you know. How idyllic. Now you can eat dinner by a picturesque tropical island without even having to leave your lounge. All you need is a teaspoon of imagination, a dollop of hope, and a pinch of desperation. The perfect recipe for potential buyers, right? Some bathroom tiling jobs divide opinion. Others, like this one, will have pretty much everyone in agreement. Fetch the hammer. Full wall mirrors are a great way to make your room look bigger, until you need to take a photo of it, that is. Just make sure to point out that you don't actually come with the house. The beauty of this fire is that you can show it off all year round without worrying about your carbon emissions, fuel bills, or overheating. You may need to invest in extra woolly jumpers for the winter though. And little Timmy, this would be your room. Yes, the random assortment of plastic limbs is included. Try not to stare at them or think about their owner. And don't look at the walls. In fact, just close your eyes altogether. An easy sell for any realtor. We're not sure quite how far you can stretch the definition of recently refurbished, but this probably crosses the line. Did the parents let their kids run free? Or is this the work of a crack team of paintball fanatics? Nobody takes the real estate market seriously these days. They just spend time horsing around and wait until you meet the neighbors. For sale, attractive 3-bedroom period property. Tiled floors, extravagant wall furnishings. Not too dear, just one deer. It might look fishy, but it really is excellent value for the monkey. Remember when using a bath bomb to always read the instructions carefully and make sure it isn't, an actual bomb. This idyllic 4-bedroom house in England would be perfect if not for the giant creepy fox thing standing in the window. Then again, maybe that's a normal feature for Brits, as the house did end up selling for more than $900,000. Technically, the house belongs to the dolls, but you can be their tenants. Just don't ever turn your back on them, or get them wet, or feed them after midnight. If you'd ever wondered what it was like to live in a 1980s video game, well, now's your chance. You can almost reach out and touch the pixels. We'll just try not to think about why the garden needed to be so expertly photoshopped in the first place. Is it really that difficult to give the walls a lick of paint? We're not sure we want to know what that giant silver cylinder is in the corner either. An elevator to hell, perhaps? The entertainment center looks good though, in a kinda, retro way. Ever had to rush home desperate for the toilet, only to have to dash through several rooms and corridors before finally reaching the bathroom? Fear no more, with this seemingly conveniently located front door toilet, it's also perfect for when the mailman delivers your bills. This place looks like it could be a grisly crime scene that's seen its fair share of gruesome goings-on. Even the bottles of bleach look ominous. Real estate photos like this should be illegal. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.